Hi, Ben from Actionstep here. In this video, we're going to look at the different options within the miscellaneous page of Step setting. These are located in the sidebar of the Steps menu. To get to this page, click on Admin, Workflow, and then Matter Types. For this example, let's look at the Office Administration matter type. In the sidebar on the left, click on Steps to open your list of configured steps. When you click one of them, the Steps interface opens in a new window. Now you'll see a new set of options on the sidebar. Go ahead and select Miscellaneous. This is where you can find all the settings unique to each step within the workflow, and each step can be configured differently through these options. The first field will display the step number, and you can also change the name of the step using this field. You can add a description here, but this is optional. The next field will determine which participant type the matter will be assigned to. It is important to note that a system user of that participant type will need to be the assignee. If you set this to unchanged, it will inherit whichever participant type the assignee was already set to on previous steps. If you check this box, selecting the assignee will become mandatory on this step. The next field will determine the status of the matter when it's moved to this step. You can choose from Active, Inactive, Closed, and Template. We want the matter to be open on this step, so we will select Active. The value inserted into the list order will determine where this step sits on the list displayed when you first access the workflow. The Accounting Restrictions section will determine whether each of these items can be created on this step. For example, if I uncheck this box, sales invoices cannot be created on this step. The value you enter into this field will determine whether or not a file note will be added to the matter on this step. If set to -1, you will not be able to enter in a file note on this step. If set to 0, file notes will be optional. To make file notes mandatory when moving to this step, enter in any positive number, and that will be the minimum required length of the file note. Finally, this checkbox allows you to bypass the step change form and move steps with one click. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save to finalize any changes. And that is how you configure the properties unique to each step in a workflow. Thanks for watching.